Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 40 power 40 by 20 power 20 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 40 we can write it as 2 times 20 whole power 40 by 20 power 20. Now exponent rule x times y whole power m, we can write it as x power m times y power m. So it becomes 2 power 40 times 20 power 40 by 20 power 20. Now 2 power 40 times 20 we can write it as 20 power 40 we can write it as 20 power 20 plus 20 by 20 power 20. Now 2 power 40 times, again I'm going to use this rule, so it becomes 20 power 20 times 20 power 20 by 20 power 20. So we can cancel out this 20 power 20 with this. So what is left? 2 power 40 times 20 power 20. Now 2 power 40, we can write it as 2 times 20 times 20 power 20. So 2 power 2 power 20 times 20 power 20. 2 square is 4 power 20 times 20 power 20. So we can write it there again, x power m times y power m. We can write it as xy whole power m. This formula again. So it becomes 4 times 20 whole power 20, which is equals to 80 power 20. So our final answer is 80 power 20. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.